Alright guys, thank you all for staying tuned to my channel. Right, so let's observe the data set that we have here on our screen. The first column speaks to the serial numbers, the second column speaks to the customers, the third column speaks to the email addresses. But here we've made a mistake. What's the mistake? It's not supposed to be andra@yahoo.com. it's supposed to be andra@gmail.com. so let's begin to change this. We have andra@gmail.com. move to the next and do the same thing. Are you really sure that that's how you want to work on this data? Really, you want to change it one after the other for Andra, Arono, and so on and so forth? How many do we have here? We have about 736 mails, right? That's a waste of time. So there should be an easier way around it. And what is the easier way? So we have the substitute function. So what is the substitute function? So let's see how it works. Is equal to substitute, right? So substitute, you click on the cell that you want to work on, which is C2 in this instance. Put your comma, then open a double quotation, right? So what is the old text? By the old text, I mean the text that you don't want again. You don't want the text Yahoo, right? Put it within double quotes and put your comma. Now put the text that you want. You want to change it from Yahoo to Gmail, right? So put Gmail there. So then put the instance number, which is 1. Now you have the answer that you need. Just come to this dot that we have here and double click, and that's the result that you actually need. Hope you'll be able to learn something today. Be able to share, be able to like this video, be able to subscribe to this channel, and be able to hit the notification bell to stay abreast upon the next video. Thank you. Love you guys.